Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your teacher, Miss Sitwal. As you know, we are learning shapes nowadays, and in the last lesson, which shape we learn? Yes, we learn square. S-Q-U-A-R-E is square. And now, today we will learn the new spelling. The name of the new shape is, any guess? Can you see the screen? Yes. What is it? Which shape is this? Yes, this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Do you know what is the spelling of rectangle? Now repeat after me. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Yes, repeat it. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. So get ready for the video clip.
What I am. Say my name if you can. I have 4 sides like a square, but 2 sides are shorter and I don't care. What am I? You're a rectangle. Draw a square in the air. Draw a rectangle in the air. I see shapes. I see shapes, shapes, shapes. Everywhere I go, I see lots of shapes. Circle. Circle. Triangle. Triangle. Square. Square. Rectangle. Rectangle. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Shapes are everywhere. I see shapes. I see shapes, shapes, shapes. Everywhere I go, I see lots of shapes.
So did you like the video? I hope you learned all the 4 shapes. First was circle, next was triangle, third was square, and the fourth one was a rectangle. So you know the homework, you have to do practice on the rough copy, or you can take print out of worksheets from given link in description. It's below the video. So next time we'll do another word or some other spelling. Take care, stay home, save lives.